love find you in places you never expect. Yeah. Echo, when I saw your face for the first time, your beauty hit me gentle, like the sunrise climbing in the morning sky. I can't remember the last time a feeling touched my spirit this deep. But something about your vibe make my tired heart finally breathe. I hope the universe bring us together for a reason, 'cause your energy feel like one more chance at a love I could believe in. My heart's been sick for a while, but something tell me you're the healing, a medicine I've been needing, a peace I've been seeking. On this dating site full of people who not up to no good, I don't wanna be a victim, but something about you feel different, girl. Something about you feels so pure. I would do whatever it takes for you to be in my life. You could be the woman of my dreams, oh how that would be nice. Waking up early for work with a kiss on the cheek before I leave. Rushing home after a long hard day just to see your smile and feel the peace you bring to me. You take away my pain. You take away my worries. Girl, you're a blessing to my story. Yeah. I call every word you type, feel like poetry floating off the screen. Never thought a stranger online could make my heart beat like a drum machine. Your laughter feel like sunlight, your presence calm my storm. And even though we far apart, you make my lonely nights feel warm. I picture us waking up together someday, your head on my chest while we plan our day. Cooking breakfast, sharing secrets, laughing about the things we used to fear. A future where love finally stays. Girl, I've been searching for a real connection, not just pretty pictures on a screen, but you feel like destiny, something said intentionally, a love I'd never seen. I would do anything to bring into my life. You could be the woman of my dreams, oh how I die in life. Waking up with your kiss on my cheek before I walk out the door. Hurrying home to your beautiful smile, I've never wanted something more. You take away my pain. You take away my worries. Yeah, you're your blessing to my story. Maybe it's fate, maybe it's timing, maybe your heart been calling out to mine and I didn't know. But something in your spirit feels like hope, feels like hope, feels like love starting to grow. Yeah. I would do whatever it takes for you to walk into my life. Your smile alone could fix my days and brighten my nights. You're the one I dream of. You feel like real love. You take away my pain and worries. Girl, you're a blessing to my story. Fade out with I call